Alright guys, the wind kind of went away, sun came out, and I got myself a target right by this big huge monster tree right here. And right, look at it, they did basically come down right here, bam, right out of the root here. And where's my pinpointer? Anyway, my pinpointer's telling me that there was something there. Of course, the metal detector pattern, look how deep that thing was. And look, there's something in there. So I don't know what it is. Of course, you just never know. But that doesn't look like it's gonna give up that easy. Okay, so anyway, so you can see we do have a target there. I don't know what it is. We're gonna try to get it out and then get back at you. Alright guys, so we finally loosened it up, and it's coming out of the hole. That's a big boy. Ooh. It's some kind of oil or whatever. Look at that, that's my first, guys. That's the first time ever get one of these things. 76 says on it. 1030. Share? No, is it Chevron? No. Wow. Believe it or not, still got oil in it. I don't think it's open. Isn't that crazy? And you got some inscription in here. This is definitely gonna have to stay, guys. Wow, can't believe it. Now look how deep that hole was in there. I don't know anything about this one. Let's see. Royal Triton 1030. I know it's motor oil. I know that much. Not familiar with the brand. Wow. I like it. It's still got. Oh boy. And guess what? It says California Oil Company. It says Oil Company of California Union. I think it says Union here. There you go. And it's heavy. I mean, I wish it would have been full of money, but it's definitely liquid, isn't it? It feels heavy. There's no way you can open and close those things. Looks like it's made of aluminum or something. Well, I like it that it's still got the sign on it. Kind of cool. This other side is faded because I guess it was sitting like this, upside down in there. But wow, jammed right in there, guys. That's crazy. Huh, that's the first. Yeah, we'll take that. Cool.